I did it. I bought it. Lowe's had it on sale. I couldn't help it. This is the DCKSS521D2 kit with all the the regular stuff. Those are just whatevers, but you got some brushless stuff over here. I guess the light's brushless. So let's open this. We could do it. We could do it with those, but what would AvE do? Come on! That's stupid. I think that worked. Oh my god, it didn't. Oh, that's terrible. All right. Okay. It had to be done. You get inspiration where you get it. What can I say? And of course, there's freaking tape all over the side, so why not? We even need the cardboard. I mean, really. Oh man, look at this. Right out of the box, it's frayed. Like somebody freaking took a chainsaw to it. Golly. That's the danger when you open tools with a chainsaw. There it is. I could probably stop this right about now, but there's a couple of batteries in here. These are the 2 amp 2 amp batteries. Sorry AvE. I'm in an AvE mood today. AvE, whatever. This thing, I'm pretty stoked about this. As I don't have one, or not a cordless one anyway. And this is the XR brushless. That's pretty sweet. I'm excited about that. I think I saw, yeah, here's the bag for it right here. Comes with the bag. All this stuff. This I've already got one of, so I'll probably, do the thing with this. This works really well. This is a great oscillating tool. I've also had one from DeWalt that wasn't nearly as good, and it's mainly because of the way that you had to change the attachments. This one has the super convenient and very stiff release right here. The Cobalt one has a lever here, and you got to swing it all the way around, and it takes 2 hands. This also has the variable speed trigger on here that works quite well. And again, the Cobalt one had, I think the trigger was all or nothing, and then it had a dial down here that you could dial up the speed on, and I just didn't like that. This one's got your different levels of vibrato down here, and again, it's also you can modulate it with that handle or the button. Yeehaw! Here's the brushless light. Who can't always use another light? I'm a light fan. I can't get enough of them. And then this is pretty much the generic. Sorry. This is the generic 1/4" driver. This is brushless. I didn't know that it was. So that's pretty cool. I've got all kinds of these. Let me set up a little test. I've got my old school 18-volt DeWalt impact driver. I think I may set up a little test and see which one of these is more skookum. Here, I'll just keep going down that road. And generic drill. Yeehaw. That's brushless also. Okay, I'm just that dumb today. Just regular standard drill. No hammer stuff on here. But this is actually quite heavy. I'm surprised at that. So pretty decent little drill here. Again, that I don't really need any more of, but then again, I don't really not need any more of it. If that makes any sense at all to me, to you. the DCD777. Let's fire them up and just see what they sound like. I always like that. Here's the old drill here. Nothing too fancy here, standard basic drill. Very not noisy, and I like that. Again, something else I didn't like about the Cobalt drill, they're 24 volt. It was loud as freak. Oh, and you got the LED on here. Here's a little palm sander. Like that. Okay, and we got the little intensifier. Perfect. I love it. I'm going to use that. Yeah. This is a really good tool. Almost sounds like Gallagher or something. I don't know. But like I said, the one I've used it quite a few times, and I thoroughly enjoy using it because it's just a really well-made tool. The DCS356. And the old impact driver. Sure it'll get the job done. The DCF787. And just because I can't help it, I gotta look at it versus my old trusty DC827 that I actually like so much. I don't use very much because I just dig it. This was the 18 volt version, and we shall be using this here adapter, the DCA1820, to go from 18 to 20 volts. There she is, all buttoned up. I love that thing. There's something about the smell of the old brushed motors when they got some age on them. I don't know. This is awesome. I'll do a little comparo sometime. See which one has got the most bang for the buck. And let's see what the old light sounds like. It's pretty quiet. Definitely brushless. I don't think anything fancy going on here, just your standard whatever work light. The cheapest thing they can put in here to call it a 5-tool set, and then, like I said, it comes with the batteries, and you got a charger in here, whatever the heck that is, the DCB112 or something. I don't know. Nothing too fancy. That's it. This was right at 260 at Lowe's. I think it's normally, I don't know. Doesn't matter. It's not that great of a deal, but it's not that bad of a deal either. And anytime, I'm sure AvE, whatever would agree, you can open a toolkit with a chainsaw. It's a good day. So if you got any questions about this kit, feel free to ask. I probably won't know, but I will try my best to help you out. And that is the kit. Get out of there. That's the kit right there.